take the tram to Bolhào to see some of the sights of Porto. It was a warm evening and we were definitely excited about doing some exploring tonight. We'd heard about this blue tiled church, Lady of Souls, and we were definitely trying to find it, which we did. Our facades were faced with tiles by Eduardo Liat, produced by Fabrica de Ceramica Guavua Lamengo. On the inside, the altars are in the classical style. They house an 18th century image of Our Lady of Souls.
found what we've been looking for, which is the Porto Cathedral. Look how grand this is. over by these electric cars that don't make any noise. There's the culprit right there. We're going this side. It's my born God-given right.
So excited, everyone.
Me too. So there's been a little bit of building works right here at the moment, it looks like. I think the whole of Porto is getting a revamp. Yeah, but can you imagine? All right, so this is Travessa Sebastio. So look, the olden days, you'd have been walking down here. So you're surrounded by a moat probably. And this was the old town. This is the old village, Porto village, maybe. We're gonna find out. Don't you worry, guys. Don't you worry. Just walk with us. We're gonna find all the information out. Yeah, it's that time. It's 7:30 now. I'm gonna walk up these stairs like this.
Oh, God.
T-O-P. Go. So again, guys, imagine that in those olden days, you'd be coming up here with your armor on to take over in war, or even just to receive your knighthoods and stuff. You'd have to climb this. We're doing it right now, guys. We're doing it right now. Look how beautiful it is up here. Some of the letters have dropped off.
your friend the other day. Heard you've been trying to reach me. Good luck with that. I threw my phone into the pool. There's no reason for your feelings.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor, guys, if you like it, please press the like button, share it, and obviously subscribe, because you help us to bring you the content by doing those little free things.